Today's drink is the Queen's Park Swizzle. The Queen's Park Swizzle evolved from the Green Swizzle, a drink that emerged from the Bridgetown Club in Barbados in the 1890s. The Green Swizzle was hugely popular in the Caribbean for 40 years following its creation and was adopted and refined by the Queen's Park Hotel in Trinidad. It led to a number of variations, including this, the Queen's Park Swizzle. What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. My name's the Rusty Bartender, and on this channel, we make cocktails and talk about mobile bars. Today's cocktail is the Queen's Park Swizzle, so let's get straight into making this drink. I'm a bit excited for this one. It's kind of tiki inspired. It's got mint, Demerara rum, Angostura bitters, lime. It's gonna be a tasty one. Let's get to it. Plus, of course, if you're new to the channel, we are making every single cocktail in Steve, the Bartender's cocktail guide. So for this drink, we're gonna be building it straight into the glass. You need a tall glass or a highball. And you're gonna start off with 4 to 6 mint leaves. I've got 6 here, giving it a slap to release the flavors and oils. Okay, once you've got that in your shaker, we're gonna add some lime juice. Grab your old juicer. And we're going to pray to the lime gods that this is a juicy one, and we're looking for ½ ounce or 15 mils of your freshly squeezed lime juice. Oh yeah, this is a nice juicy one actually. ½ ounce. You're then going to add 15 mils or ½ ounce of a Demerara syrup, and then you're just going to gently muddle this together, like so. I haven't done this in a while. Like and subscribe. All that good stuff. You don't want to muddle that too much or it's going to get bitter. Now we're going to add 2 ounces of your Demerara rum. We're using El Dorado 12-year-old. Very tasty. Plenty of dark sort of brown sugar, molassesy sort of notes, very nice. To that, you're gonna add a couple of scoops of crushed ice. And Steve's book says using a swizzle stick, give this a swizzle. And it is called Queen's Park Swizzle. I don't have a swizzle stick. You can use a bar spoon. Just plunge your bar spoon into the middle and give it a little swizzle. Doesn't do as good a job as a swizzle stick. I need to get myself one of those. Anybody got any recommendations? And you do this until the glass gets kind of frosted up. We're gonna add some more crushed ice, and then we're gonna finish off with 4 dashes of Angostura bitters. So 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've spilled that everywhere. And it's instantly frosted on the side of my glass. It's like Angostura ice, nice. Little bit of mint on top, give it the old Belfast slap. Release those aromas. And there you go, folks. The Queen's Park Swizzle looks good. All right, here we go, give it a little sip. Let's see what's going on in the glass. Now, before I even sip this, you're getting the aromas of the cinnamon and cloves from the Angostura, the mint from the mint leaves. Obviously, as you drink this drink, the ice is gonna melt. It's gonna give more dilution in the drink. You're gonna get the Angostura mixing with the rums, the mint mixing with the rum, the lime. It's gonna evolve. It's gonna be delicious. Let's give it a little sip. Oh, mate. It's like a next level mojito, but with more of the Demerara from the rum coming through. Big, dark sugar, brown sugar notes, cinnamon, cloves. Oh, this is a banger. Give us one a try, folks. Queen's Park Swizzle.